Hello everyone, how are you all? Fine? Very good. So welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Okay children, today we are going to learn phonics subject. Which subject we are going to learn? Yes, phonics. So you have to be ready with your phonics skill book, pencil, eraser. Okay? Children, tell me, do you remember which vowels we have learnt in phonics? Yes, which vowel words we have learned up till now in phonics subject? Yes, come on, take out your phonics skill book. You can see the words vowel A, and also we have learned the A vowel words. Sound we have learned, also the words. So vowel A, E, I, O. Okay. So today the next vowel, that is vowel U. What is this? The U sound. Today we are going to learn this topic. So you have to open your phonics skill book, page number 2828. Okay. Open the page and be ready. You have to pay attention on the board. Okay. So children, tell me what you can see on this page. Yes, the A sound. Today we are going to learn the A sound. Okay. So U is a vowel as in this following words. We will see the words. This is letter U, and what is the phonics sound of letter U? A. Very good. So we will see the words. You have to observe on the board very carefully, okay? Pay attention on the board. So, today we are going to learn the A sound, okay? In this sound, now what we are going to see? See here, this is letter U. And what is the phonics sound of letter U? A. So, first we will see the words that begins with A sound, okay? See here, which picture you can see? Hut. Next picture, mug. Sun, sun. Okay, understood? Now we will see the words with a sound. Okay. Everybody, you have to look at the board, pay attention. So now we will see how to make two-letter words. First, we will see there is a consonant and this is a vowel U. So by adding these two letters, one consonant and one vowel, which word we will get, that we will learn first. Okay. So tell me first, which letter is this? B. Very good. And what is the sound? B. B plus A. Repeat after teacher. B plus A is B. B plus A is B. Next one. K plus A is K. K plus A is K. D plus A is D. D plus A is D. F plus A is F. F plus A is F. G plus A is G. G plus A is G. H plus A is H. You can see here, hut. Hut. Okay. So, H plus A is H. J plus A is J. J plus A is J. Come on, breathe. B plus A is B. K plus A is K. D plus A is D. F plus A is F. G plus A is G. H plus A is H. J plus A is J. Okay. So B, K, D, F, G, H, J. Okay. Now next one, L plus A is L. L plus A is L. M plus A is M. M plus A is M. You can see here. Mag, mag. Okay. So mag and g. Mag, mag. Okay. Now see here. N plus A is N. N plus A is N. P plus A is P. P plus A is P. R plus A is R. R plus A is R. S plus A is S. Here you can see sun, sun. Okay. So S plus A is S. T plus A is T. T plus A is T. Okay. So repeat after teacher. L plus A is L. M plus A is M. N plus A is N. P plus A is P. R plus A is R. S plus A is Sir. T plus A is T. Okay. So L, M, N, P, R, S, T. Okay. So we have seen the two letter words, okay, by adding one consonant and one vowel. So now we will read these words which are given below, okay. Come on, read with teacher. Ma, ma. Ma, ma. Da, da. Ta, ta. Pa, pa. Ra, ra. Sa, sa. Na, na. La, la. Ba, ba. Okay. So now we will see the next words. So you have to turn the page. Now we will see how to add one single consonant, one vowel, one consonant. Okay, means how to make 3-letter words. We will see now. So the very first word is what? See here. Which letter is this? Which two letters are there here given? U and B. Okay. Yes. U and B. So what will be the sound of U? A. And sound of B? B. A, B, ab. Okay. So now we will see ab words. See the first letter. What is this? Ka. Very good. Letter C, and what is the phonic sound of letter C? Ka. Ka plus ab is cub. What is this? Cub. A baby lion is known as a cub. So, ka plus ab is cub. Ka-ab, cub. Next one, ta plus ab is tub. What is this? A bathtub. You can see a tub. So this is tub, tub. Tub, tub. These two are ab words. Okay, ub, ab. Ka-ab, cup. Tub, tub. Now we will see ut words. Okay, see the first letter H. What will be the sound? Ha. Ha plus at is hut. This is a house. You can see a hut. Yes. So it is ha at hut. Na plus at is na at nut. Nut means you can see the nuts. Yes, cashew nuts, almond and all these dry fruits, they are known as nuts. Okay. Na plus at is na at nut. This is a nut. Okay. So ha at hut, na at nut. Understood? Now we will see ug words. Okay, ug words. See the first letter J, and what is the sound? J. J plus ug is jug. Jug. Can you see this picture of a jug? What is this? It is a jug. We store water in this jug. Yes or no? So, jug, jug. Repeat after teacher. Jug, jug. Next one. Ma plus ug is mug, mug. Mug, mug. See here, you can see this mug. Yes, what we do in this mug? Yes, we have milk or coffee. So this is a mug. Mug, mug. Jug, jug. Mug, mug. Now u and un words. See here, u and un words. What is the sound of u and n? Un. So first you see here, which letter is this? B. Very good. Letter B, and what is the sound? B. B plus un is bun. This is a bun. You like to eat bun? Yes. So B plus un is bun. Next one. Sa plus un is sun. Which picture is this? Yes, what is this? It is a sun. So what is the spelling? Sun. Repeat after teacher. Sun. Now ud odd words. What is the sound of u and d together? Yes, ud odd. Okay, yes. So see the first word, first letter. B plus odd is bird, bird. What is this? Bird means, you can see this, it is a part of a flower. Before the flower it blooms, so that stage is known as a bird. See, this is a bird. After blooming it will turn into a flower. Okay, yes. So next one, ma plus odd is mud. Mud means soil, sand, in which you play na. that is mud. Mud, mud. Okay. Now we will see which words we have seen now. Ud, odd words. B plus odd is bird. See, this is a bird. Okay. M plus odd is mud. Now we will see words. What is the sound of these two letters? Okay. See here. M plus is mom. M plus is mom. This is your mummy. Yes, this is a mother. So we call mother as mom also. Okay. Now s plus is sum. Okay. Sum means what? In mathematics we solve we solve the questions. That questions they are known as sum. Okay. This is sum. Okay. Mom. Sum. Okay. Now we will see upwards. What is the sound of U and P? Up. Now see here. K plus up is cup. Can you see this cup? Yes. What is this? It is a cup. K plus up is cup. What do you do in this cup? Yes, we drink. We have tea. Okay. So this is a cup. Cup. Next word. P plus up is pup. Can you see this pup? A baby of a doggy means small puppy. Okay, we called it as a puppy, but also we can say that it is a pup. P plus up is pup. Understood? Cup. Pup. Okay. Now once we will revise, once we will read all these words. Okay. You have to repeat after teacher. Okay. All are ready? Come on, tell me which words are this? Very good. Upwards. K plus up is cub. Cub. T plus up is tub. Tub. Now see UT utwards. H plus ut is hut. Hut. N plus ut is nut. Nut. UG ugwards. J plus ug is jug. Jug. M plus ug is mug. Mug. Okay. Now U and un words. B plus un is bun. Bun. S plus un is sun. Sun. UD odd words. B plus odd is bird. M plus odd is mud. Mud. Words. M plus is mum. S plus is some. Mum. Some. Now UP upwards. K plus up is cup. Cup. P plus up is pup. Pup. Okay. Now you have to repeat all these words after teacher. Okay. Repeat. Cup. Tub. Hut. Nut. N at nut, J ag jug, J ag jug, M ag mug, M ag mug, B an bun, B an bun, S an sun, S an sun, B ad bird, B ad bird, B ad bird, M ad mud, M ad mud, M mum, M mum, S sum, S sum, K up cup, K up cup, P up pup, P up pup. Understood everybody? See now. Cup, tub, hut, nut, jug, mug, bun, sun, bud, mud, mum, sum, cup and pup. Okay, so have you all understood how to read the words? So children, tell me which words we have learned today. Yes, what we have studied today. Yes, very good. We have learned the sound, vowel sound. Okay, we have seen how to make 2-letter words, that is by adding one consonant and one vowel. Okay, also we have studied how to make 3-letter words. Okay, so you have to practice these words at home. Okay, also you have to do the practice of phonic sounds of letters from letters A to Z. Okay, so I hope that you all have understood this today's topic. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.